Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will tell you how to add the grocery order form feature to your app. Log in your account and go to your business dashboard. Next, click on Manage App and you'll be redirected to the Overview page. Next, under the Edit and Twist and Go Live section, click on Edit. Now, to add the grocery order form feature, click on the Add Feature button in the sidebar. Then click View All and search Grocery Order Form. Click on the feature to add it to your app. Once you add the feature, you will see the feature listed in My Feature section, where you can edit, customize, and organize the added features the way you want. Now hover over the feature and you will have options to show hide the feature, edit and customize the feature, delete the feature, and move the feature. Now let's check out what you can do with the newly added grocery order form feature. Click on the pencil icon here to edit and customize the feature. This is your page or feature name. If you want, you can change it as per your needs. From here, you can change the feature icon. If you want, you can select a solid icon, outline icon, or an image from a library, or upload your own custom icon image. Let's move to the content section now. Enter the email ID to which you want to order the order details to be sent. If you want to add multiple email IDs, then click Add More. From here, you can remove the email ID. Next, enter the contact number here to which you want the order details to be sent. If you want to add multiple contact numbers, then click on Add More. And to delete the contact number, click Remove. Now here you will see a default description that has been already added to the form. However, if you wish, you can change it as per your needs or leave it as is. From here, you can upload a header image which will be displayed on top of the form. You can also check the added description header image on the simulation screen here. Now let's move to the additional fields section. Here you can customize the form fields in addition to the preset form fields. Your app users will need to fill these defined form fields on the app to place the orders. Here you will see the field type and field name columns. The first field is name, which is active and mandatory. Similarly, the fields including email, phone, address, and order are active and mandatory. If you want, you can change the field name for the particular field type, and also include the hint if needed. To add a hint, hover over the area next to the field and click the plus icon here. Once you add a hint, a question mark icon will be displayed against the particular field on the form where the hint is added. You can also add multiple fields to the grocery form. Click on the Add New Field button here to add a new field. From here, you can define the field type from the drop-down menu, such as name, radio, checkbox, email, etc., along with a field name, and make them active or mandatory as per your choice. You can also add a hint for the added field and delete the added field from here. Now let's change the layout and color scheme of the grocery order form feature. Click on this color palette icon to change the page style and color scheme. Click on the background icon and select an image for the page background. If you want, you can select an image from our library, solid color, or upload your own custom background image. Next, select your desired layout from the options. From here, you can set the page element, color, font size, and indent. You can hide the borders and resize the submit button by enabling the respective toggles here. Now let's enable in-app purchase for this feature. Click the in-app settings icon in the side menu, then under in-app settings, enable the in-app toggle and provide the necessary credentials in the required fields. Please note you can enable in-app for both Android and iOS. For getting the credentials, click on the question mark icon here and refer to our tutorial. After providing the credentials, you can use them as global credentials by checking this checkbox here. Please note you can also add new credentials if you want. Once you're done, click on Save to save the changes manually, or directly click the Publish button to see the reflection of your latest updates on your mobile app. Now let's manage the orders placed by your users and the grocery order form settings from your app's backend. Click this icon in the side menu and then click on Manage Feature to go to your grocery order form dashboard. Here you can check all the orders placed by your customers. You can track and manage the existing as well as the new orders. Type in the search box to search the particular order ID or filter the orders by date or order status. Click this icon here to reset your search results. From here, you can check the order details, order date, order ID, customer name, and order status. Under the action column, you will see options to request money and view order detail. Click on request money and enter the amount to be collected from the customer in the amount field. You can also upload an invoice to request compensation for the order items. Once done, click Save. Click this button to view the complete order details. Now click on the plus icon under the View Order column to view the order details such as the customer's billing address, order details, and payment details. You can also copy and print the billing address and the order details if you want. From here, you can check the amount to be collected and the payment status. You can send an invoice email to the user by clicking the Send Invoice Email button if you have uploaded an invoice. Then you can download the invoice from here. Now let's go ahead and check out the settings for the grocery order form feature. Click on the cogwheel icon here to configure the settings. The settings section is categorized into general settings, payment settings, and language settings. First, let's check the general settings. Here you can view your email address, contact number, description, and header image added while setting up the grocery order form. If you want to change these details, you can go to the Edit Future section. Next, select the currency from the drop-down, and please note that depending on the currency selected, the payment methods will auto-set in the payment settings. From here, you can define the prefix for the order ID. Once done, all the order IDs will be displayed with the prefix defined here. Now turn on this toggle to enable SMS services. From here, you can enable or disable the toggle button to allow the admin and user to receive updates through SMS. Once done, click on Save. Now let's move to the payment settings. Here you can set up different payment methods based on the currency selected to accept payments from the app users. Once you select the payment option, click on Save. Next comes language settings. Under language settings, you can manage all text alerts and messages showing up in the grocery order form feature. Once you have updated the language settings, click on Save. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.